Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
Hello and welcome. In this video, I will explain how to play Steve Fox for beginners. Steve is a truly unique fighter, as he relies entirely on his fists, having no traditional kick attacks. His strength lies in his evasive movements, setting up powerful counter hits, and seamlessly transitioning between various stances. To truly excel with Steve, you must master his ducking and weaving, which are fundamental for both defending against incoming attacks and creating your own offensive opportunities. Let's dive into his core mechanics. Steve's stances are central to his fighting style. Flicker stance, for example, makes many of his attacks safer, allowing you to maintain pressure. Peekaboo stance provides excellent offensive tools and tricky mix-ups to confuse your opponent. Beyond stances, his ducking maneuvers are incredibly important. These quick evasions let Steve slip under high and mid attacks, creating perfect windows for counterattacks. Learning to fluidly move between these options will significantly improve your defensive and offensive game. For beginners, focusing on a few key moves will build a strong foundation. Back 1 is a fantastic quick poke and counter hit launcher, often leading to significant damage. Down 2, one is a useful low-mid string that you can make safe by canceling into a ducking stance. Additionally, 1-1-2 serves as a fast and reliable 10-frame punisher, perfect for capitalizing on your opponent's mistakes. Practice these moves to establish consistent pressure and damage. Once you have a grasp of Steve's core moves, begin practicing simple combos, especially those initiated from counter hits or launchers. These are your primary damage sources. The heat system is also vital. Activating Heat Rush gives Steve enhanced pressure and access to powerful new attacks. His Heat Smash is a quick, mid-hitting throw that leaves you at an advantage, perfect for continuing your offense. Experiment with these elements to maximize your damage and control the pace of the match.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.